Hey everybody, Brandon here. Welcome to the Firebase Summit 2018. This is just the videos I did on a live stream I did. So hope you enjoy. And hello everybody who's watching on the premiere right now. Enjoy the coverage.
Please welcome to the stage, Frank Van Puffelen.
Good morning, everyone, and welcome to another Firebase Summit. We're so excited to host
Equality and embracing diversity. So as you go through the rest of the day in the summit, please take time to talk to Firebasers, but also to meet with each other. We've got a lot of amazing content and some fantastic workshops. But at the end of the day, all of you are the best part of this summit and the reason we are here. Thank you very much, and enjoy the rest of your day.
Hey, everyone. Not sure about you, but I was sitting in the back, and I was like, that's an amazing number of updates. Is there anything good in there? Yeah. I think so, right? I mean, actually, we ran a bit over, so that's what you get when you stuff a lot of content in a keynote, right? We call it content on fire. It's like our joke. OK, so I think we'll all need a moment to digest this, so we're going to have a break right after this. So, and we'll have snacks outside, essentially where you had breakfast this morning, if you came in. So, if you've ever been to a Firebase event before, then you know that our speakers do Q&A in the Ask Firebase lounge, which is right next to where we serve breakfast. So just go find them there. They'll answer all your questions. We also have lots of other Firebasers who are wearing a yellow shirt. So should be easy. Hey, I love social media because somebody pointed out that I fumbled one of my lines this morning. It's the 100th anniversary of Czechoslovakia. So my apologies for that mistake. A few logistics to get out of the way. There's, by the way, also a barista for coffee I just found out, so I'm on 4 cups of coffee now. OK. While you're out there, just wander around. The entire venue is like open. So behind me, for example, we have the workshop room, and behind that, we have the Better Together lounge, which is like another bar where you can get drinks, but also it has a portrait station, which a lot of you already have seen, I think. We have a photo booth, so please take pictures with each other and with Firebasers and share them. And we have AppShip. Who has played AppShip already? OK, very cool. Show your card. You get a customized card, you get to keep it, and you get to play multiple times. So that's all fun. I think we're ready for the break. At 11:30, we're going to be back here or behind us, and we're going to kick off other sessions here and workshop behind us. So check for the full schedule on our event app on firebase.events. That's the URL. Keep in mind, all talks in this room are being recorded. So if you miss one, don't freak out. It will be on YouTube in a moment. So. We also have a scavenger hunt for some premium swags. For example, I got Firebase socks. So, just so you know. OK, lots to do. So let's all get out here, take a break, and see you back here at 11:30.
Welcome back, everyone. Please give a warm welcome to Lauren Long and Megha Bangalore.
Everyone. My name is Lauren. I'm here with Megha. We are 2 engineers on Firebase, and today we're excited to share with you how you can engage your users.
So that's really what it is, right? So there are many different ways that you can say, hey, let's have the minimal integration and maybe reach the most users, or add a little bit more work and a little bit more effort and get very, very, very targeted. So we started with a console only. It was very, very simple. We did it using the cloud messaging console. Then we added a little bit more and did in-app messaging and analytics in an interesting and new way, using it as a contextual trigger, not just for metrics reporting. And then finally, as Lauren just showed, using the cloud messaging API, we can get even more customized and even more personal. And this can be anything from like, hey, they just leveled up in an app, they just entered a shop. It's really any of the data that you're getting from the client or from the server that you're evaluating. You can trigger that function, and you're good to go. So Firebase helps you target the right audience at the right time with that right message. You no longer want to be that app that's spamming users. You don't want to have to worry about hitting a user when they're not interested in the message, or they're actually just focusing on maybe making a purchase. You only want to target them when it's actually relevant. So as we promised, the code, what little there is, mainly the functions code, is going to be over at this link. You don't need to copy it down. If you go to Firebase events and click our talk, you can get this link right over there. So if you have any questions, and I hope you do, or comments or feedback if you used any of these products, you can find us in the Ask Firebase Lounge right after this talk, and throughout the day in the Ask Firebase Lounge and Hack Firebase areas. Thank you so much, and I hope you guys have a great rest of the day.
And now, please welcome Shailesh Nalawadi and Frank Van Puffelen.
Greetings, everyone. So when I first started using Firebase, I was extremely excited. So many of the So there you have it. We built our app. We deployed it to Firebase hosting, all from within a browser, thanks to integrations with Glitch and StackBlitz. So we would love to have you try these features out and let us know what you think. And remember, we used public APIs today. So if you think there is another development environment that could use this kind of seamless integration, let us know, because we want to be able to provide easy ways for you to be able to deploy to Firebase from wherever it is that you're writing your code. Thank you.
As usual, if you have any questions, come find us in the Ask Firebase Lounge. I'm heading over there right now.
All right, see you there.
Welcome back, everyone. Please give a warm welcome to Mike McDonald and Todd Kerpelman.
This one's Todd, though.
Hi, everybody. Hi, I'm Todd. This is Mike. So our original talk was 5 quick tips to secure your app, but they put both of us on this talk, and it turns out that when you throw more people at a project, you can get way more, maybe dashboard, but like write access to everything. They could like delete customer data, or change all your security rules, or like turn off different auth methods, and all sorts of stuff that Joe didn't have to do. So now, you may have seen this, we've added the ability to assign users particular Firebase roles, where they can either read or write to certain sections of the Firebase console. So now we can tell Joe, hey, you have access to create A/B tests by creating a couple of remote config parameters. You can view analytics. You can create your own A/B experiments. But hey, guess what? You can't erase or even view, really, any of our customer data, any of our security rules, any of our crash information, any of that. And so certainly if you're adding new folks to your Firebase project, make sure you've added the right rule. But also for your currently existing products, see if maybe there's folks on your team who might have too much access, and kind of scale it back a little bit. So I think we made it, according to the timer, we have 41 seconds left. So we are pretty much out of time. If you have questions, first go onto YouTube and rewatch this video at 0.75 speed. And then after that, talk to me and Mike in the Ask Firebase Lounge. We're going to be hanging out there right after this. And you can find links to a lot more info right here in the Firebase Events app. And with that, thank you very much. Whew.
Welcome to the stage, Sam Stern and Kiana McNellis.
Hi, everybody. Welcome to the last talk of the day. I'm Sam.
And I'm Kiana.
we're going to teach you about integrating back-end systems with Firebase to make your app better.
So I hope you had a really good day of talks today.
The middle, and then we have the real-time database, which is where that leaderboard script ran. More than any specific detail in this diagram, it's pretty clear that real-world apps get complicated. They're very messy. And when your Firebase app gets complicated, we hope that you'll reach for the admin SDKs. All of the admin SDKs are developed open source on GitHub. We'd love to hear from you, bug reports, feature requests. You can send us pull requests. We're very happy to accept contributions. We're also working on adding support for more languages, so .NET and even Ruby, which we mentioned we currently don't support, but we're working on. If you know those languages and want to help us get it right, find us on GitHub, and we'll be very happy to work with you. You can see the K1 short link will take you there. For next steps, hit up the short link and help us shape the future of the admin SDKs. Thank you.
Thanks for watching this premiere. If you want to watch it again, it will be on this channel in a few minutes. Thanks for watching, and I will see you very shortly. Peace!